So it's time for you to get updated with the latest and greatest features of WhatsApp for the year 2023. So there are more than 1 billion people who use WhatsApp on a daily basis, but even 1% of the people do not use it to its true potential. And I'm very certain that after watching this video, you will be among those 1% who uses WhatsApp to its full potential. So here is 8 cool things you can do with WhatsApp. So my number 1 tip for WhatsApp users is create a private group for yourself. It can be used for note taking. You can use it for noting down your groceries or important things. You can mind dump anything. You can save important files that you want to share with anybody else later in near future. There are a lot of use cases for a private group, and it is very easy to create a private group. You can create a group just like you normally do. You will have to add someone else because at least 2 people are needed to create a group. Once you have created a group, you can remove them. That leaves the group to yourself only, and it becomes a private group. You can change the DP to something like a notes icon, and then you can use other feature of WhatsApp, which is pinned chats. So you can pin this note on top of WhatsApp chat list, so it appears on top and you always have access to it. You can save anything you want. For example, if you have to board a flight, you can save your documents that you have to show to the security, or maybe you have a train reservation, you can save your tickets and stuff like that. Now the second tip also utilizes the first tip. It is being able to send a message, a file or anything to a person whose number is not saved in your contact list. Surely there was a way where you had to type the number to a URL which redirected you to open the chat in WhatsApp, and it still works, but here is an even better way. You can type the number in your private group. Once you have typed the number, you can tap on it, and if it is registered with WhatsApp, you will get the option to start a chat, start a call. So you can start a chat, send them a message, send them the document you want to send them. For example, if you have to print something, you go to your local shop and the guy asks you to send the document to their WhatsApp so that they can print it on their printer. And now you don't have to save their number. Maybe it's a delivery guy, he is looking for your location. You can send them location without having to save their number. And the third tip is being able to edit the message you send on WhatsApp. Earlier there was an option, and it still is, to delete the message. So if you had made a typo or if you had mistakenly sent a message, the only option was to delete that message and send the message again. But now you can edit the message if there is a simple spelling mistake, or if you just want to edit the entire message, it can be edited. But the time frame for now is 15 minutes. You will have to edit the message within 15-minute limit, but this limit may increase in future, like the limit increase for deleting the message. Currently it is like 4 hours. You can delete the message within 4 hours. So eventually you will also be able to edit the message within 4 hours, but currently it is 15 minutes. But there is a visible sign that says that this message is edited. How you can edit is long press on the message you want to edit, and then you will find the option of 3 dots on top right hand side. You can tap on it and you will find the edit option there on Android mobile phone. Fourth tip is you can lock your individual chats. If there is a chat with someone and you don't want anyone else to look into it, and you still want to give them access to your smartphone about other things, you can lock that particular chat. This feature is now being rolled out to Android and iPhone users. Tip number 5 is you can use the same WhatsApp on multiple devices, up to 5 devices. You have to go to the settings area of your WhatsApp. You will find the option of linked devices, under which you can tap on link a device, and then you can scan the QR code. You will easily be able to use the same WhatsApp on multiple devices and multiple platforms as well. Tip number 6 is uploading high quality videos, HD videos on your WhatsApp status. Currently, if you want to upload a high quality and HD video on your WhatsApp, it will be compressed by WhatsApp and the quality gets really degraded. But there is a workaround. I have made a dedicated video about it. There are 2 workarounds. One is using an app called Pure Status, and the other is using WhatsApp Web. You can watch that video or read the tutorial on our website to know how it works, but it works really well and you will feel the difference, and your friends will also feel the difference. Tip number 7 is you can send high quality videos, and there is currently no restriction for the file size also. So you can send 2 GB videos or any other type of document. You can easily send via the document feature. It will not go as a media, but it will go as a document, and the quality will not be degraded. I was able to send big movie files, 1.5 GB, 1.6 GB files. Use the send as a document feature on your WhatsApp, and you will be able to send big size files also. So that tip number 8 for WhatsApp is a great way to organize your things. If you have got an important message and if you do not want to get that chat lost, you can star it. And obviously you will have to make a habit of starring important messages, important chats in WhatsApp. But once you start doing it, you will be able to easily highlight those starred messages by going to the settings area. You will find the option to tap on starred messages, and all the starred messages will appear here. So it's really cool to organize stuff. If you have an important thing such as payment details or an address that you want to use later on, you can star it. Or you can also forward that particular message to your private group, which will be accessible from the chat screen as well, and it will appear on top of every other chat. So these were 8 tips. Apart from these tips, there are many other things that you can do with WhatsApp, and since this is a video, once it is published, there is no way to update it, but the articles can be updated. So in the description of this video, you will find an article which gets updated with the latest features so that you can be aware of it and be among those 1% people who uses WhatsApp efficiently. So this is it in this video. I hope you find this useful. If you did, you can hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this and making your tech life easy. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.